Hi, hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, please do not forget to click the subscribe button down below and the post notification button next to the subscribe button. So welcome back guys to another video, and in today's video is going to be about another hair review. So if you guys want to go check out this hair that I have on right now, it's the Solana wigs. As long as you guys click on my face, it will direct you guys to that video. So yes, from model edges on point lace front wig. I got it from my beauty supply store, guys. It's not from the actual website, so I'm pretty sure you guys can find it at your local beauty supply store. So yeah, so this is what the hair looks like. It's very soft, it's thin in the back, but it's still cute though. But I was going for the Agatha look, but they ran out of Agatha, so that's why I had to pick this one. But we'll see how it looks on me. The hair is gonna come with 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back, and that's what the lace looks like. The lace looks like it's already plucked also, and I like the color of it. Okay, so this is the amount of shedding that I got, but I think it's because I just cut the wig, like the lace. But yeah, this is the amount of shedding I got, and it doesn't really tangle, I guess, for now, since it's new. The only con that I don't like about it is because I can't do a side part if I wanted to, but other than that, it's cute. I feel like I can do the side part if I put my own hair out or something. Let me see if I try to do baby hair, if I will be able to, you know. Okay guys, so now I'm back from changing and laying my edges, and I did my makeup, of course, also. So yeah guys, so this is pretty much it of the video. I do like the hair because I really feel like as long as I leave it alone, it won't really get tangled because of the way the hair is. It's like a wavy, like curly wavy, I guess. But yeah, so I'm actually liking the hair. Like, yeah, I like it. It's not bad at all. So if you guys like the video, do not forget to click that like button down below and the subscribe button down below and the post notification button next to the subscribe button. So yeah guys, see you guys next time. Bye.